Alright, this video is for the Nomenclature Playbook, page 1. This is the introduction to our nomenclature notes. I apologize that this is not on my iPad. I don't have it with me right now, but I've got some deadlines to keep, so bear with me. So the Nomenclature Playbook, what this is basically a huge decision tree. Okay, a decision tree is a tool that you can see on the internet a lot that will help you to determine what steps you should take based on your answers to certain questions. Okay, and so this very first page is, in my opinion, the most important page of this booklet because it helps you to determine what type of rules you should be following when you are naming a compound. So the very first question you are going to ask yourself is, does your substance start with a metal or the letters NH4? Okay, remember that metals are on the left side of the periodic table. Okay, so if your substance starts with something on the left side of the periodic table or the letters NH4, okay, if your answer is yes, then that means you're going to be doing an ionic compound, which means that you should go to page 2. Okay? Now, what if your answer was no? Your substance doesn't start with a metal or NH4. Then that means the next question you need to ask yourself is, does your substance start with an H or say the word acid? Okay, so if the answer is yes to that, if it does start with H or say the word acid, then that means that you're dealing with naming an acid. So you are going to go to page 4. Sorry, I should have said go to page 4. All right, and then finally, if your answer was no to that H and acid question, then that means you're left with dealing a covalent molecule. And that means you're going to go to page 3 to follow the naming rules. So guys, I'm telling you right now, every single time you need to name something, you need to ask yourself these 2 questions. It will guide you through everything else, I promise you.